only problem I have with China is they overestimate me. Alright, so CD437-Z model. I don't know what this is. It's not branded on the outside, slightly crushed. It's been abuserized. Don't remember. Portable tactical knife, CD437. It's, of course, amazingly from Shenzhen. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, I remember this. Okay, nifty, nifty. This is nice. It's cheap. It feels cheap. The sheath feels cheap. The handle feels cheap, which I don't care. It feels plasticky, and it may not be. It may be some kind of, who knows, but it does feel a little plasticky. This clip is not bad, but you know what? I'm kind of thinking, you know, I talked about making my own sheath for another knife. I may incorporate this or this idea. That's a pretty cool idea, because I've got some Alien Gear concealed carry holsters that come with a lot of this hardware, and I have a lot of this extra hardware with those kits that were shipped, and so I can use that on that sheath build. So it's got a pretty good lockup. It looks like there's just a very narrow, there's the blade, a very narrow ledge here on each side that catches inside here, and it's pretty close because it's a pretty tight lockup. It doesn't move in there, but again, I don't look for that to last long, so it's going to be just a matter of time that this knife is just going to come loose. Now, what I'd like to do, because I want to kind of practice doing some scales and different things like that, and I've made handgun scales for handguns. I've made scales for knives before, and surprise, surprise, it's not shaving sharp. But I don't think it would take much to get it there. And so I want to do some videos on actually making scales. And you can, in the process, what I think I want to do is probably get some different colored denim and do, I think it's called micarta, I could be wrong. And I actually made some in one of my shops over the years and never used it. So I'll never find it. So it's gone, bye-bye. But I'd like to make some more. And so I don't like the blockiness of this. I would like something more rounded. And it's too small to really fit your hand, but this would be a cool neck knife. And kind of come up with a different lockup mechanism, possibly a whole different sheath altogether. I don't know. But I'm thinking multiple colored denims. And what you'll do is coat it with an epoxy glue, put another layer on of color of whatever, and coat it with glue until you get whatever thickness you want to make your blank out of, and then you compress that and let it dry, and then basically you shape it and mold it into whatever you want. So that's what I think I would like to do for this. I think it would be really cool, and plus something for me and you to learn how to do that. Because, like I said, I've made scales before, but I haven't done it in a while. And really and truly, to make a stock for a rifle or shotgun, or you know, I'm planning on doing some scales for this old black powder. It's a 41 cal made in Italy, black powder only. Turner, Kirkland, and all kind of proof stamps and stuff. But I intend to do some for this and just save these in a safe place, get this all cleaned up just for show. I mean, it's, I don't even know if I'd want to risk shooting it. I got black powder, I could. But I have no idea what the load would be. Anyway, so I have intent to do some stuff, and I'll probably do a video on making it just for that, just to show, just because. And I want to make some scales for this old knife just because. So I think we got think it's a pretty good test subject. And I think this was a couple of dollars, really, and I just throwed it into a kit because I was looking for, you know, get X number of items and make a deal and whatnot, and so that's what I was doing with AliExpress, and so that's where that knife come from. Didn't really want it and got no great shakes about it, but I do like that teardrop spear point blade. I've talked to you guys about that before. I love that shape. I think it's cool. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.